Here's a Motorola model 59H, made in 1950. Going to be 70 years old this year. Recently recapped it, polished it all up. Got a very tiny crack right here that I didn't see until after I polished it, but really, considering how old it is and how long it's been around, it's in really good shape.
Also, making sure the banks are backed so that they don't pull in their loans. You know, floating them the loans. They don't get those they don't float. They don't pull back in.
95 masks originate in Canada. How about some things being made right here in Michigan? Ford's production of protective face shields expected to reach a milestone this weekend and do it pretty quickly. WWJ Auto Beat reporter Jeff Gilbert explains.
Sometime tomorrow, Ford will ship the 1 millionth face shield built at their TDM facility in Plymouth. Ford's Martin Delana says they've gone from just taking